Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Inza Resti from Kampus Cengkareng. Today I will be presenting about major sentence constituent. So from this, part 1 is what are major sentence constituent? In English, every sentence has main parts called major constituent. The main constituent consists of two parts. First, NP or non-phrase, and second, VP or verb phrase. Ini menjelaskan bahwa semua kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris terdiri dari dua bagian utama, yaitu NP dan VP. Ini kalimat fondasi dari semua struktur kalimat. Next, what is an NP or non-phrase? NP or non-phrase is the part of sentence that function as the subject or object. For example, the girl is running. NP dari kalimat ini, the girl. And then second sentence, a black cat slept on the couch. And NP from the sentence is a black sleep. NP adalah frasa yang bisa berfungsi sebagai subjek atau objek. Biasanya terdiri dari kata benda dan bisa dilengkapi dengan kata sifat atau penentu seperti a atau the. What is VP? Verb phrase. VP atau verb phrase is the part of a sentence that includes the verb as its core and may be followed by object or complements. For example, the girl is running. VP-nya is running. Next, a black cat slept on the couch. VP-nya slept on the couch. VP adalah kalimat yang menyampaikan aksi atau keadaan. Bagian ini bisa terdiri dari kata kerja utama dan tambahan seperti objek atau keterangan. Basic sentence structure. Basic English sentence structure, subject, NP plus predicate VP. Example, she, NP plus is studying VP. The students, NP plus have completed the tasks VP. Di sini kita menunjukkan bagaimana NP dan VP membentuk kalimat lengkap. Subjek adalah NP dan predikat adalah VP yang memuat informasi utama. Active sentence. An active sentence is one in which the subject performs the action. Example, the chef, NP, cook the meal. Subject chef performs the action cook. Structure, subject NP plus verb VP plus object, optional. Kalimat aktif adalah kalimat di mana subjek melakukan suatu tindakan secara langsung. Ini adalah bentuk kalimat yang paling umum digunakan. And then the next, passive sentence. A passive sentence is one in which the subject receives the action. Example, the meal was cooked by the chef. The meal received the action cook. Structure, object or no subject plus auxiliary verb atau be plus past participle plus by plus agent optional. Pada kalimat pasif, fokusnya berpindah ke objek yang menerima aksi. Kalimat ini sering digunakan jika pelaku aksi tidak penting atau tidak diketahui. And this is the example sentence of active and passive. Active sentence, the first example, the teacher explained the lesson. Berubah menjadi passive sentence, the lesson is explained by the teacher. And the second, they cleaned the room, berubah menjadi passive sentence, the room was cleaned by them. Tabel ini membantu menunjukkan perubahan bentuk dari kalimat aktif ke pasif dan sebaliknya agar lebih mudah dipahami. Conclusion, major constituent, NP and VP. NP, subject or object, VP, predicate, constant the verb, active sentence, subject perform the action, passive sentence, subject receive the action. Ringkasan singkat dari poin-poin penting yang telah dibahas sebelumnya untuk memperkuat pemahaman diri kita sendiri. Next is a part 2. We have a 5 assignment, and then this is the first. The book that was recommended by the professor has been borrowed by several students. Di sini kita membuat tree diagram. Bisa dilihat NP-nya itu the book that was recommended by the professor. Terus VP-nya has been borrowed by several students. Ini contoh dari tree diagram soal pertama. Yang kedua, although the watch was delayed due to rain, the play continued the warm-up routine. Ini contoh tree diagram dari kalimat di atas. Dan yang ketiga, the new regulations were announced by the government after the economy showed signs of instability. NP-nya the new regulations, terus VP-nya were announced by the government after the economy saw sign of instability. Dan ini contoh tree diagram dari kalimat tersebut. Terus yang keempat, the man who has arrested last night had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. Dan ini contoh tree diagram. Contoh kalimat terakhir, the big girl saw Eliezer with a lovable panda recently. NP-nya the big girl, and VP-nya saw Eliezer with a lovable panda recently. Dan ini contoh kalimat yang dibuat menjadi tree diagram.